On Valentine's Day in South Korea, only women give gifts, not men. The human nose can detect more than 1 trillion smells. In 2011, a monkey was arrested in Pakistan for crossing the border with India. Your mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva a day. Drug lord Pablo Escobar spent $2,500 a month on rubber bands to hold all his cash. The largest turtle ever recorded weighed more than a ton. You can clear room of cigarette smoke in about a minute simply by spinning a wet towel around. Google rents goats to eat the grass at their Mountain View headquarters. Map of Derinkuyu, an ancient underground city that was found in Turkey. The first ever VCR was the size of a piano. In Denmark, if you're unmarried at 25, you will get cinnamon thrown all over you on your birthday. The majority of the people plug in their USB wrong. There is a fish called the black dragon. In China, dog waited at hospital for 3 months after owner dies from coronavirus. Scientists found nearly 1,500 new bacteria species in belly buttons. A farmer planted 6,000 trees in the shape of a heart as a tribute to his beloved late wife. France was the first country to introduce the license plate. And Indian Airlines hire female flight attendants because they weight less. According to ancient myths, birthmarks show how you were killed in your past life. The first computer mouse was not made from plastic, it was made out of wood. The world's oldest pet cemetery, hundreds of cats and dogs are found in individual graves at 2,000-year-old ancient Egyptian port. If you have power to go alone in cinema halls and restaurants, then you can do anything in your life. Sklidzy, child born with short head, was thrown out from house by his parents, is one of the best comedians of all time. PVR Cinemas has most number of screens in the world. According to a Japanese legend, when you're not asleep at night, it is because you're awake. Money is not made out of paper, it is made out of cotton. A protester brings lion to fight police dogs protest in Baghdad, Iraq. Scientists developed a tiny sensor for your teeth that you can track the food you are eating. World's most expensive suit worn by PM Narendra Modi during his meeting with US President Barack Obama. Mint Street, Chennai is the longest street in the world. The most technologically advanced things on planet were stone, fire and hand axe. The costliest cat ever named Little Nicky, who cost his owner $50,000. The doctor who discovered that hand washing prevented the spread of disease was thrown in a mental institution for his crazy idea. A man left his glasses at a museum and people thought it is an art.
Save me from myself, holding my savior.
There is an annual religious festival in Spain named El Colacho that involves lining up newborn babies in the street, jumping over them. Thanks for watching.